महाराष्ट्र में भारतीय राजदूत ने पाक को लताड़ लगाई है। पाकिस्तान के प्रतिनिधि के निराधार आरोपों का जवाब देने के लिए बाध्य हूं, पर्वतनेनी हरीश ने कहा है। भारत ने दशकों से पाक प्रायोजित आतंकवाद का सामना किया है। पाकिस्तान का नागरिकों की सुरक्षा पर चर्चा में भाग लेना अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय का अपमान है। पाक आतंकवादियों और नागरिकों में कोई अंतर नहीं करता। पाक को नागरिकों की सुरक्षा के बारे में बोलने की योग्यता है ही नहीं। पाकिस्तान ने जानबूझकर हमारे सीमावर्ती गांवों पर गोलीबारी की। 20 से अधिक नागरिक मारे गए और 80 से अधिक घायल हुए हैं। गुरुद्वारों, मंदिरों और अस्पतालों को जानबूझकर निशाना बनाया गया और इस तरह के व्यवहार के बाद इस संस्था में पाकिस्तान का उपदेश घोर पाखंड ही है।
Mr. President, I am constrained to respond to the baseless allegations of the representative of Pakistan on a number of issues. First, India has experienced decades of Pakistani-sponsored terrorist attacks across our borders. This has ranged from the horrific 26/11 attack on the city of Mumbai to the barbaric mass murder of innocent tourists in Pahalgam in April 2025. The victims of Pakistani terrorism have been predominantly civilians, since its objective has been to attack our prosperity, our progress, and our morale. For such a nation to even participate in a discussion on protection of civilians is an affront to the international community. Second, Pakistan has repeatedly used a civilian cover to advance the cause of terrorism. We just recently saw senior government, police, and military officials pay respects at the funeral of noted terrorists targeted by Operation Sindoor. A nation that makes no distinction between terrorists and civilians has no credentials to speak about protecting civilians. Third, earlier this month, the Pakistani army deliberately shelled our border villages, killing more than 20 civilians and injuring more than 80. There was intentional targeting of places of worship, including gurudwaras, temples, and convents, as well as medical facilities. To preach at this body after such behavior is grossly hypocritical. Let us be clear. Protection of civilians should not serve as an argument for protection of UN-designated terrorists. The international community must come together on zero tolerance for terrorism and calling out those who sponsor and defend it. In conclusion, Mr. President, my delegation reaffirms its commitment to working in close cooperation with the international community to alleviate the suffering of civilians affected by armed conflict.